ladies and gents. Do not adjust your screens. It is Super Dan, Jigsaw Puzzles. How are you all doing? It is Puzzle 10 time. Puzzle 10. Made my goal, and we're going to start working on it right away. And you have no idea what Puzzle 10 is going to be, but it's going to be something special. At any rate, as you can see in the picture, my cat Momo did a number. Almost destroyed my puzzle, and I had to go searching all around the office for the pieces, but thank the Lord this time we found all the pieces on the Aquarius original comics. There's still one piece that I have not found, so there's one piece missing actually on this puzzle right here. Right here, yeah. But fortunately, we found all the pieces. We put them back together, and this is it. Gonna glue it, and we're gonna get right on into puzzle number 10. So let's time lapse this while I glue this puzzle, and then I'll show you what puzzle 10 is gonna be. Then we're gonna work on it, and every day's a gift, right? That's what they say for the present. So let's stop blabbing at the gums. Let's get this done. Take some action, because I have a Better Call Saul that I want to watch. So let me hurry up and do this, and we'll go on to the next puzzle of Super Dan and Jigsaw Puzzles. Yep. Alright, ladies and gents, well, we're done with the gluing portion. We just need to let it dry now. Just gotta let it dry. Probably will take a couple hours, but of course, magic of YouTube. It'll just take a few seconds. But it is now time to reveal to you puzzle number 10. Very, very important puzzle. Near and dear to my heart. And to all those who remember that golden time where life revolved around the American kitchen. In the morning, getting ready to go to school, getting ready to go to work, and it would be a time of busyness and people getting ready for the day and etc. Of course, I am talking about cereal boxes. That's right. Cereal boxes from White Mountain Puzzles. White Mountains have been around over 30 years. Family-owned business. They make great puzzles, big pieces, so they're bigger puzzles. I got a White Mountain puzzle right here, which, if you remember, was the American road trip. But this is the various cereal boxes that I remember growing up, you know. Cocoa Puffs, Trix, Chocolat, with that funny looking vampire. Gosh, amazing. Lucky Charms, Cheerios. Boy, just all kinds of the classic cereal boxes. Blueberry, man, takes me back. Wheaties, of course, still around. Some of these are still around. Some of them are harder to find, and some of them I don't think they make anymore. But that's the next puzzle, everybody. That's the next puzzle, White Mountain Puzzle. It's a 1,000-piece puzzle. It's going to be sizable, and I'm planning, once I get this thing on the wall, because this puzzle is going to go above the Amerigo Vespucci. There's the Amerigo Vespucci, and there's the spot where that puzzle I just glued is going to go. And I'm thinking of putting the cereal box underneath the underneath this original comics right down here. Right down here. We'll see how it goes. Might be pretty big. I might be covering some other puzzles. That's fine. Not a big deal if it covers up some other puzzles a little bit. But that's what we're going to do. So let's let this dry. And then we'll grab the cereal box White Mountain puzzle. And we'll get cracking by, of course, we're going to unbox it. Then we're going to sort it. Remember the sorting process, very important. And we're going to sort the edges out. And there's no real, I don't think, way to sort it in terms of detail or color. It's kind of all over the place. It's a podge-pourri, you know, a diorama of stuff. So that's probably not going to work. We're probably going to have to do it the same way we did the Roadside America puzzle. We're probably just going to have to, you know, just start putting pieces in where we know they go and fill it in from there and expand it and connect it all together. And it's a beautiful thing when huge chunks just start coming together. It's one of my favorite parts of doing a puzzle. So that's what we're going to do. And of course, flip the puzzles up where we could see them. That's very important. Flip the pieces up so there's no cardboard showing. Very important to be able to see what you're doing. So that's another part of the sorting process. All right, let's get cracking. All right, boys and girls, here is the puzzle. Boom, right here. We are about to unbox it, sort it, edges on one side, all the stuff on the other side turned up where we can see them. And we'll put the borders together. Right here is the culprit that nearly destroyed our last puzzle. That is Momo, the puzzle destroyer. The puzzle destroyer. All right, let's do it. Alright, well, as you can see, we have sorted the puzzle. I decided to sort it and stick to just 2 boxes. I was going to use 3. As you can see, I was going to use 3, but I decided to just use 2 boxes. I forgot how funky the pieces are for White Mountain puzzles. Some are small, some are big, some have funny shapes, but whatever, neither here nor there. One thing I do like about the White Mountain puzzles is the thickness of their puzzle pieces. They're very thick, nice feel, chunky kind of piece, and I like that. So we're gonna put the border together. These are the border pieces. Here, I'll show you in a second. These are the border pieces right here. Some might not be the border, but like I told you, with the White Mountain puzzles, you want to err on the side of caution. You want to err on the side of caution. One way to tell the border pieces, they are red and white. As you can see, red and white, red and white, red and white. So that should be easy to spot. That's box number 1 and box number 2. Well, not much else I could say at the moment. We're gonna go ahead and put the border together right now. So, as you can see behind me, we have finished the border of the 1,000-piece White Mountain puzzle cereal boxes. It's going to be a pretty sizable puzzle, about as big as I thought it was going to be. Pretty good size. I think it should fit nicely in this area right here of the puzzle wall. Let me show you the border more close up, and then we're gonna start working on the detail. Yeah, and like I said, what we're gonna do in this puzzle, we're just gonna keep plugging away here, there, and everywhere, just like the America Road White Mountain puzzle, and just fill it in and start expanding it and connecting it, and before you know it, it comes together. So this is the border in all its glory. Not much to see at this point, just a border. But the border, nevertheless, is done. As you can see, pretty big. All right, boys and girls, so let's start doing the detail to close out part 1 of the White Mountain cereal box 1,000-piece puzzle.